Now we are going to learn les prépositions de lieu, which means the prepositions of place. So, what are the prepositions we use to indicate a place? You say, I live in whatever place. Say Chennai. I live in Chennai. Okay? So, in is a preposition of place. So, in French, what are the prepositions of place? The first one is a. See? A with a grave accent. It is a. Where do we place a? We place it before the names of cities. Kindly note down the prepositions and where they are used. We use a before. It is placed before the names of cities. For example, à Paris, at Paris. So, this means in or at or to. Or for all these three words, you can use a. It is used before the names of cities. Or a Pondicherry. So, this is the preposition of place that is used before the names of cities. So, if they ask you to fill in a preposition of place and the blank comes before the name of a city, you will write a. Shall we move on to the next? The next preposition is en. This also means in or at or to. This means in or at or to. This is used before the names of countries, placed before the names of countries that are feminine. Feminine singular countries take en. For example, for India we say en. Another example is France. We know France is feminine singular, so it takes en. So this is the preposition of place, en. It means in or at or to. It is placed before the names of countries that are feminine. So if there is a blank followed by a country, the name of a country that is feminine singular, we use en. Are you clear with that? Shall we move on to the next? The next preposition of place is au. This also has the same meaning. It means in or at or to. As you must have guessed, this is placed before the names of countries that are feminine singular. So, masculine singular. En is for feminine singular and au is for masculine singular. So, an example for this is the country Portugal. This is the masculine singular form. So, what preposition do we use? We use o. O Portugal. Do you understand that? And finally, we have one more preposition of place. It is aux. A-U-X. This is the preposition that is placed before countries that are in the plural form, either masculine or feminine, but in the plural form. For example, let us take the United States, États-Unis. It is in the plural form. So, what preposition of place would we use when the country is in the plural form? It is aux. What does this mean? This also means in or at or to. So, aux États-Unis. So, I'll just say all the rules once again. So, we have learned 4 prepositions of place. The first one is à, next is en, next the third one is aux, and finally aux. So some of the examples are, where would we use à? We will use it before the names of cities. So à Paris. À Paris. This is the name of a city, so we use à. And where do we use en? Before countries that are in the feminine form. For example, en France. À Paris, en France. Now, where do we use aux? We use it before countries that are in the masculine form. So, Portugal. Aux Portugal. Finally, when do we use aux? We use it before countries that are in the plural form. What did we give for an example? Do you remember? Yes. États-Unis. The United States. So I hope you have understood the prepositions of place and where we use them.